Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Meet EtsyEmpire AI, the complete Etsy business building system that helps you find profitable, low-competition niches, create printable products, build optimized listings, and prepare everything you need to sell on Etsy from one simple platform. Unlike basic AI design tools, EtsyEmpire AI gives you the complete workflow from research to listing preparation. Let's take a look. We'll start with the sleek, modern dashboard, beautifully designed to keep everything organized and easy to manage from one place. You can quickly see profitable opportunities, collections, listings, views, and today's top opportunity. Next, let's open the Niche Finder. EtsyEmpire AI analyzes the market and uncovers promising niches based on demand, competition, estimated revenue, opportunity score, and estimated time to first sale. For this demo, let's choose wall art and home decor. That takes us into opportunity reports. Here, EtsyEmpire AI breaks wall art and home decor into 20 specific sub-niches and shows the estimated revenue, competition level, opportunity score, and estimated first sale time for each one. Modern farmhouse kitchen. Wall art looks especially promising, with low competition and a strong opportunity score. Let's select it and move into the Design Studio. Here you can choose the number of designs, product type, style, color palette, orientation, and printable sizes. The AI collection brief also shows what buyers are looking for, what competitors may be missing, the recommended bundle size, pricing range, and keyword angle. Now let's click Generate My Collection. Just hold on for a moment while EtsyEmpire AI creates the designs. And that's it. All 10 designs are ready. Wow. In just a few moments, we've gone from a profitable niche idea to an entire printable design collection. Now, let's open My Collections. Here, every generated design bundle is neatly organized and ready to turn into a complete Etsy listing whenever needed. Next is the Listing Builder. Here, EtsyEmpire AI prepares the title, description, SEO keywords, tags, attributes, pricing, and product presentation. You can preview the listing, check the optimization score, and use the AI assistant to improve any section before moving forward. And finally, Etsy Publishing brings everything together for the last step. Your designs, listing copy, keywords, tags, pricing, and publishing details are already organized in one place. So completing the final Etsy publishing process becomes quick and straightforward. That's EtsyEmpire AI. From finding the opportunity to creating the products and preparing the complete Etsy listing, everything comes together in one streamlined system. Create more products, build your portfolio, and grow your Etsy empire.